Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students, grade 6. Our lesson today is still in chapter 9, which is creating animation in Flash. It's a simple lesson. Today I will teach you how to create a motion tween. Something called a motion tween in Flash, which makes the object movement in Flash. Right? Let's start. Before that, as I teach you before, you have to use ActionScript 3.0 for that, and start drawing your ball. For example, I will draw a ball, right, using an oval tool. Draw the picture of a ball on the top left corner of your stage here, right, and convert it to convert this ball to a symbol. Always convert this ball to a symbol. Okay, then you will see a black square around the image. That means it's converted to a symbol. So I will just convert it to a symbol from modify, I think. Right, first you have to select this ball. Select this ball by choosing the select tool. This is the select tool, selection tool, and convert it to a symbol from modify menu. Okay, and name that to ball, name that symbol to ball. Right, notice that now there is will be a blue square around the image, as you see here. Now select the frame number 20 here on the timeline, right, and insert the keyframe either by right click, right, insert keyframe I mean, or just by pressing F6 from the keyboard. Now notice all frames from 2, right, to 19 are now gray in color. Frame 20 has a gray fill with a black dot, indicating that is it is keyframe. Right, now select keyframe 20 and move to your ball to the center here, right, like this, and select frame 40, right, and insert another keyframe. Select the ball and move it to the top right corner of the stage like this. Now select any frame between 2 and 19, for example here, right, and with the cursor in the gray area, right click and then create motion tween, this way, right. You will notice that the line become like light blue. The timeline down became like light blue color. And now on keyframe 40 we'll do the same thing here, right. We'll click anywhere here, right, and we will create motion tween as well. Right, now notice that when you make control play, right, from the beginning, move this cursor here and then control play, you will notice that your ball is moving, okay, according to the timeline and according to the position that where you created the motion tween. Right, see, this is the position for your ball from the left top corner to the middle of the stage and then again to the top here. If you want to see it continuously, just press control and enter. It will export the movie. A movie will look like this. This is called motion tween in Flash, right? I can also, for example, if I come to frame 20 here, right, and I drag the ball like this, see, notice that there is a path, motion path, that I can also edit this path by moving it, right? So this will be like my movement for the ball. It will come like this and it will go on the path. You can edit this path definitely. Make it look like this, like curve. Now let's see the ball, how it will move. See, it's moving like a curve now, and I will click control enter to see the effect. That was the lesson for today. It's just a short lesson how to create motion tween. Inshallah, in the next lesson, and it will be the last lesson in this chapter, it's how to create shape tweening. Thank you very much for following, and I hope everybody will practice this at home.